Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp date and time setting problem. If you're using WhatsApp and you're facing this type issue on your WhatsApp app, that whenever you try to open or log in with your device, that you see an error that your device is inaccurate, adjust your log and try again. So let's see how can you fix this issue. You just have to simply go back from here, open your settings app, in settings just go for general, go for date and time settings, and here you have to select your time zone based on your location. Once you have selected your time zone, just enable this toggle to set automatically, and it will set your date and time automatically, and you'll not get the issue again. Or a further thing you can do, you just have to open your app store or play store, search, simply search for WhatsApp, and you just have to try to update your app. If you find a pending update here, just try to update your app, and once you have updated, your issue must have to be fixed and you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so you can try to offload your app. Sometimes it might be that there will be any bug or any malware into your WhatsApp app, so you can see these type errors. So you just have to try to offload or uninstall the app, or you have to completely delete that app. Once you have deleted or uninstalled, you just have to retry to install that app again from your app store or Play Store. And after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.